How to lock a column in Google Sheets tutorial. To lock a column in Google Sheets, start by selecting the column you want to lock. You can do this by clicking on the column header, which is the letter at the top of the column. Once you have selected the column, go to the Format tab in the menu bar and select Protected Sheets and Ranges from the drop-down menu. In the Protected Sheets and Ranges sidebar, click on Add a Sheet or Range and then select the range that you want to lock. In the Format Cells section, uncheck the box that says Editors can change format and then check the box that says Only allow certain users. Here you can add specific users who you want to be able to edit the locked column. If you want to lock the entire column including the header, you can check the box that says Also protect the sheet and range from being deleted. Finally, click Done to apply the changes. You can verify that the column is locked by trying to edit a cell in the locked column. If you try to edit a cell in the locked column, you will get an error message saying that the cell is protected. To unlock a column in Google Sheets, follow the same steps as locking a column, but instead of checking the box that says Only allow certain users, uncheck it. Additionally, you can also use keyboard shortcuts to lock a column in Google Sheets. To do this, select the column you want to lock and then press Ctrl+M to open the Protected Sheets and Ranges sidebar. From here you can follow the same steps as before to lock the column. Best practices for locking columns in Google Sheets include only locking the columns that need to be locked to prevent accidental edits. You should also make sure to add specific users who need to be able to edit the locked column to prevent them from getting an error message. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily lock a column in Google Sheets and protect your data from accidental edits. This feature is particularly useful when working with large datasets or collaborating with others on a Google Sheets document. It helps to ensure that important data is not accidentally deleted or modified and provides an additional layer of security for your Google Sheets document.